Next petition to be presented by the Honorable Ali Menza, member for Kisauni.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to present this petition regarding enforcement of the Maritime Labour Convention 2006. I, the undersigned, on behalf of the seafarers in the Republic of Kenya, draw the attention of the House to the following. 1. That the Maritime Labour Convention 2006 is an international labour convention under the International Labour Organization of the United Nations, which came into force on 20th August 2013. Number 2, that the convention aims at establishing minimum working and living standards for all seafarers on ships by taking into account their medical care, health and social assurance, as well as securing fair competition among ship owners in order to ensure real change for seafarers and ship owners' rights, among other objectives. 3, that Kenya is a member of the International Maritime Organization, IMO, and the International Labour Organization, ILO. 4, that on 31st July 2014, the government of Kenya deposited with the International Labour Office the instruments of ratification of the Maritime Labour Convention 2006. 5, that on 1st July 2021, the National Assembly's Departmental Committee on Transport, Public Works and Housing had a meeting with the Principal Secretary of the State Department for Maritime, the Secretary for Internal Security and other government officials, during which it was reported that despite having ratified the said convention, Kenya is yet to ratify its later amendments. Number 6, that the government's disclosure imply that Kenyan seafarers are at ongoing risk of being exposed to a potentially hostile, rigid, and harsh internal and external working environment that may result to low productivity, high workers' turnover rates, and other undesirable effects. 7, Madam Speaker, that currently multinational shipping companies are dominating the Kenyan shipping industry, with many of them being accused of discriminating citizens in terms of employment opportunities, wages, and working conditions. 8, that the difficult situation in the Kenyan maritime industry calls for the full implementation of the Maritime Labour Convention 2006. 9, that efforts to have the matters contained in this petition with relevant government authorities have been futile, Madam Speaker. 10, that the matter contained in this petition are not pending before any court of law or any constitutional or legal body. Now, therefore, your humble petitioners pray that the National Assembly, through the Departmental Committee on Transport, Public Works and Housing, 1, intervenes to secure the operationalization of the signed agreement between the Mombasa Seafarers Charter and the Government of Kenya. 2, secures inclusivity and equal participation of all seafarers' organizations as stakeholders in decision, policy making, and the development of any regulations pertaining the blue economy and maritime affairs from time to time as per Article 232 of the Constitution and Section 11 of the Merchant Shipping Act 2009. 3, recommends the establishment of public seafarers recruitment and replacement services for seafarers domiciled in the Kenyan territory, which will provide equal access to seafarers without discrimination, corruption, and favorism as per the Maritime Labour Convention 2006. 4, secures the enforcement of International Convention on the Safety of Life at Sea to enable seafarers gain employment in port facility and ship trading in Kenyan waters. Number 5, secures the ratification of the cabotage law by the government to allow seafarers to have employment opportunities within ships trading in the Kenyan territory. Number 6, secures equal representation of seafarers' organizations as stakeholders to the Board of Directors to Kenya Maritime Authority, Kenya Ferry Services, Kenya Coast Guard, and the Blue Economy Board, as required by Section 6D of Merchant Shipping Act 2009 and Article 10 of the Constitution. 7, recommends the availing financial assistance in form of grants to seafarers to aid in skills training. Number 8, recommends the release of names of all current employees of the Kenyan Maritime Authority and secures open employment opportunities to seafarers. And last but not least, Madam Speaker, secures the full implementation and enforcement of the Maritime Labour Convention 2006, including its amendments. And your petitioners will ever pray. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I submit.
And the petition is duly committed to the Departmental Committee on Transport, Public Works and Housing. Next order.